Hello dears. This is our newest knock BP03 Bluetooth fingerprint password card, and also can use the Tuya app to control the door. It's very beautiful. You can see it. Okay. Okay. And let's try it. It's in English. Also, it can customize the outlooking. Okay, already unlocked. Also, you can see here is fingerprint. Also, can use the IC card, and also you can use the this is the mechanic key. And here, when there is no battery, you can use this to charge it to have the battery. It's very safety and also very beautiful. Yes.